If you want to learn how to turn blog posts into digital products, in this video, I'll be sharing with you just that. Let's dive right in. So right here, I'm on Designrr.io. This is the tool we're going to be using to turn our blog posts into a digital product. In specific, we're going to be creating an ebook as our digital product. I want to share with you the pricing of Designrr. They do have monthly plans, $29, $39, $49, and $99. However, I do have a special link for you where you can get lifetime access for just $27. It is a one-time payment. Just a quick disclaimer, I am an affiliate, meaning if you do sign up with Designrr using the link I provide in the description, I do receive a small kickback at no extra cost to you. It just allows me to continue cranking out content just like this. But once you're all set up with Designrr, you're going to be brought up to your dashboard, which looks like this. Right here where it says more options to create an ebook, you want to scroll to the side until you see import from blog post or URL. Just click on that. And right here, you're going to want to enter in your URL of your blog post. So I do have a blog post. So what I'm going to do is just make sure I'm on that blog post and just grab this URL, copy that, come back over here to Designrr and just paste that in. Now you want to click on add. Now you want to click on apply and let's start. Once you're on this page, you're going to want to choose a template. So just to keep things simple, I'm going to click right here on this California. I'm going to click on use this template, and what it's going to do is going to turn that blog post into a PDF ebook. So right now it's formatting the content, and just like that, it turned the blog post into a digital product, in this case an ebook. All right, so right here to the right there is a navigator where I have access to click on any of these pages. So right here, this is the table of content. So pretty much all you have to do from here is just edit this entire ebook. Real simple. You know, you could change the colors of this. You can do all that right here on the left side. They do have a bunch of elements. You can add videos. You can add more images. You can pretty much deck out this ebook, okay? It's pretty much plug and play. Now, one feature that I do love that Designrr actually has is when you're importing, you know, this content from the blog post and you turn it into an ebook, it also brings in your affiliate links. How cool is that? And I'm going to show you that here in a second. This right here, this highlighted word, if I pretty much highlight it and click right here on this link button, that's my affiliate link. I am an affiliate with Shopify, but what's cool is that it brings over the affiliate links that I have on my website, it brings it over inside of Designrr as well. All right, now another cool thing that they bring over is some images. Okay, so as you can see, these are some little banners that I have, you know, on my website. They bring those over as well, just like that. And if I want to make these images clickable, once you click on this image, just click right here on this link and you can put your affiliate link right there. All right. And then this image will be clickable and it'll take them over, you know, the Shopify or whatever, you know, platform that you want to send them over to. All right. So that's the cool thing. It's pretty much plug and play. So once you import it, you know, this content from the blog post and formatted it into an ebook inside of Designrr, just edit it. And once you're satisfied, by the way, you have all these elements and everything right here to the left hand side of the screen. It's real easy to use, plug and play, drag and drop, real simple. Once you're done, just click on publish. You want to make sure you click on for Adobe Reader. You want to make sure that this title is what you want it. Put your name there and click on export. Once you get to this page, it's going to say your ebook is ready. All you want to do is click right here on download your PDF file. And right here, this is your ebook. This is your digital product. So you can click on this arrow and you can download it. All right, just like so. But what I want to do is show you this clickable link. So right here, you can see the different color, right? So whoever receives this lead magnet, by the way, you can use these ebooks that you turned, you know, from a blog post. You can use that to build your email list, okay? Now, right here, if I click on that, what's going to happen? It's going to take me over to Shopify. How cool is that? So you could pretty much double down, build your email list, and while they're reading this ebook, they click on that Shopify link, they sign up with Shopify. In this case, I'll receive a commission. Real cool. All right. So now that you know how to sit here and turn a blog post into a digital product, how about we learn how to build an email list, leveraging this process here, you know, turning blog posts into ebooks. So first step is to head on over to Google Drive. And once you're on this page, what you're going to want to do is click on new. You're going to want to click on new folder. And right here, I'm going to title it my blog post. Okay, so I'm just gonna sit here, copy that, come back over here to Google Drive, and I'm just gonna paste that in. Boom. All right, so right there, as you can see, I have the folder. So if I double click on that folder, now it's giving me the option to drop in that ebook that I downloaded from Designrr, which would be this one right here. So what I'm going to do is just drop in that ebook. Boom, there it goes. All right. So once your ebook is right here inside of Google Drive, all you want to do is click on these three dots. You want to click right here where it says share. Come over here where it says share to the left. And then this screen is going to pop up where it says general access. Just click right here on this little arrow, and you want to click on anyone with the link, and boom, we're going to leave it on this page. And what we're going to do is head on over to system.io. This is what I use to pretty much run my entire business. This is where I do my email marketing. This is where I set up my sales funnels, my landing pages, build my email list, all that good stuff, all with system.io. Now, once you're here, by the way, it's free to sign up. I will leave a link to system.io in the description, so that way you can get 100% access to it. But once you're here and you're signed up, just click on create under funnels. Click on create. But in this case, what I'm going to do is click on a funnel that I have. And if you made it this far in the video, I'm giving you this funnel absolutely for free. All right, it's a two-step funnel. You have a squeeze page and a thank you page. So by the way, it will be in the description. All you have to do is just click on it. It's going to take you over to system.io, to sign up. And if you're already signed up, it's automatically going to import this funnel inside of your account. But all you want to do is just right here, edit this information. You want to edit this URL path. And all you have to do is just click right here on edit page. And right here, you can edit all this. It's drag and drop, plug and play. So if you want to change the color of this background right here on section, just right here to the left, it says background color. You can change the background, okay? And if you have a certain hex code, you can enter in that hex code right there. It's real simple. If you want to change this image, just click on it. Just click on this little X. Boom. Now you want to import your image. Just click on the little cloud and you can drop in your file right there. It's real simple, right? And right here, just edit this text. And for this button, same thing. Just click on it. Come over here to the left where it says background color. You could change the color of that button as well. You can also change the text. So if you click on it, you scroll down where it says access ebook now, you could change that information. All right. You could also add in emojis. Now, if you're wondering where I get my emojis, just come over here and it'll be this one right here. It's called the Peely app. You can get your emojis right there. All right. So I'm going to click out of that. So once you're done editing your squeeze page, just save your changes. Just make sure you save changes and click on this little arrow. I'm not going to save the changes. I just wanted to show you exactly how to do it. It's real simple. It's plug and play. Now what you want to do is head on over here to your thank you page. You want to edit this information as well. You want to edit this URL path. And once you do that, just click on edit page. Now right here, you want to do the same thing. If you want to change the color of this background, just click on section, background color. You can choose your background color, okay? Just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave it just the way it is. Same thing. Click on that image. Click out of it. Now you can upload your own image, all right? Real simple. Now, as you can see right here, it says, please check your inbox for your ebook. So I'm going to show you how to set all that up. But I also added a button right here. You can use this button to pretty much, send them over to an affiliate product, okay? So you can edit that information. So in this case, this blog post is 7 proven steps to sell digital products on Shopify. Coming back over here to system.io. Let's say I found a course, showing how to grow on Shopify or, start a business with Shopify, step by step, this and that. And I'm an affiliate for them. Well, guess what? I can put my affiliate link right here, okay, for this button. So remember, click on this button, add in your affiliate link. If you don't want this button, all you have to do is just trash it, all right? And make sure once you do that, just save all your changes. I'm going to click on this arrow. I'm not going to save those changes. I just wanted to share with you those steps. So now what you want to do, right, is go right here to contacts and go to tags. So I already created the tag for this blog post, but all you want to do is click right here on create, and you want to title it whatever your lead magnet is, okay? And you want to click on save. So once you got that taken care of, you want to come over here to you want to come over here to emails, click on campaigns. Now once you're on this page, just click on create. So right here, this is pretty much where you're going to want to put in your lead magnet information, just like so. So I'm going to paste it in just like that. Now I'm going to click on save. Once you do that, you want to click on it. Now you want to click on create. So right here, this is where you could add in a subject line. So right here, I have a Google Doc. By the way, I will give you access to this Google Doc, and every resource that I'm sharing with you in this video will be in the description. So right here for this subject line, I'm just going to copy that. Come back over here to system.io. I'm going to paste that in. Click on save. So right here inside of system.io, they give you an option to add in the preview. I'm going to come back over here to this Google Doc. I'm going to copy this information right here. Come back here and I'm going to paste it in. All right. And for body, come back over here. Copy this information. Now I'm going to paste that in. Okay. Now if you want to increase the size of all this, all you have to do is just highlight it all. Come right here where it says font size, click on that, and you could change the font size. Okay. Real simple. Just like so. And then for right here where it says download book here, you want to make sure you edit this information tailored to your lead magnet. But once you do that, just highlight it all. Click right here on this little link button. And now you can delete whatever's in there. Come back over here to Google Drive. Now you want to click on copy link. All right. Let's click on that. Come back over here. Paste that in. Click on this little check mark. Boom. Now it's good to go. Now what you want to do is click on save and publish. And right here, you want to leave everything just the way it is, because this is the first email that's going to be sent out delivering that lead magnet, okay, that free ebook. You want to make sure once they put their name in their email, boom, that this email, shoots over to them ASAP. So just click on activate. I'm going to click on exit. So there goes our first email. So now let's say you want to add in another email. All you have to do is just click on create. And for the sake of this email, I'm just going to put test 2. You want to make sure, I like using classic editor. I'm going to click on save. So right here, test, I'll put test 3. Right here, I'm going to put test 4. Okay, just for the sake of the tutorial. But you want to make sure you put your subject line, a preview and the body text. And if you need help, creating these emails, you can use ChatGPT or you can use Voila. It's pretty much like a personal assistant at your fingertips. When you need it, it's right there. So once you're done, entering this information, you want to click on save and publish. So now once this page pops up, you want to make sure that this email is sent over right after the first one. Okay, so remember this was the first one here, the free ebook. Now where it says delay before sending email, you can put 1 and just click on activate. Now you want to click on save, click on exit, and then boom. So remember, this is the first email that's going to be sent out. Okay, it's gonna send out right away. And now this is going to be the second email. And this second email is going to be sent out 1 day later. All right. Now the whole goal with building a campaign out is you want to build this sucker out. Okay. So you want to add in a bunch of emails right here. And then if you want to add in a third email, just click on create. And right here you could put, your other email subject line, just like so. Click on save. Same thing. Just put that information here. Boom. Save and publish. And right here, this email will be sent after the second email. You could put 2. Click on activate. Okay, now we can click on exit. And as you can see, this is the first email. This is the second email that's going to be sent, 1 day later. And this one 2 days later. All right. And the whole goal is just to build it out. All right. You want to be providing value inside of your emails. And the cool thing with building your email list is that later on down the road, what you can do is just sell products to them. Right. So if you create a digital product or like a bundle or something like that, and you want to sell it to your email list, well, you could send over a promotional email. Just one email, you can shoot it over to all your contacts. All right. How cool is that? Now let's tie everything together for our funnel in this last step. What you want to do is click right here on funnels. And now you want to choose your funnel. Just click on it. So once you're on your funnel, you want to make sure you're on the squeeze page right here. And you want to click on automation rules. And what you want to do is click right here where it says add rule. And you want to click on funnel step form subscribed. And as you can see, you got the green check mark. You're pretty much good to go. Just click on it. And you want to click on add action. Once you click on that, you want to click on add a tag. Now you want to choose a tag that you created for your lead magnet. Once you got the tag right there, just click on save rule. Now you want to click on this funnel step form subscribed again. Click on add action. And you want to click on subscribe to campaign. Now you want to choose the campaign you created with the emails. And just like that, you want to click on save rule. So pretty much what we just did right here is set up a set of rules that occurs when a contact has subscribed through a form. So whenever they go through your squeeze page and they put their name in their email, they're automatically going to be tagged and they're going to be subscribed to the campaign. Okay. So they're going to be getting all the emails that you actually created for that campaign for this specific lead magnet. Now, once you're done here, just click right here on squeeze page. And you see this little link button right here? You want to click on that. That's going to be the link for your funnel. All right. So if we go right here and we open up a new tab and we paste that in, click on enter. As you can see, this is the squeeze page. All right. This is where they can enter in their name, their email. Click on access ebook. It's going to take them over to the thank you page. So here, let me show you. I'm going to put my name, put an email. Now I'm going to click on access ebook now. And as you can see, it brought me over to the thank you page. It says, thanks for signing up. Please check your inbox for your ebook. And right here, there's a button, that'll send them over to an affiliate product. So right now I don't have this button connected to a framework. It's connected to an affiliate product. So if I click on it, it takes me over to an affiliate product. All right. So that's the power of building an email list. You give something of value in exchange for an email. Now, what you can do with that email is later on down the road, you can sit here and promote digital products, affiliate products, and you want to nurture your email list. You don't always want to go for the home run. You don't always want to go for the sell. What you want to do is actually nurture them, give value in your emails. And then later on, if you want to sit here and slide an email out, maybe twice a week, once a week, promoting a digital product, hey, why not? You own your email list. That's the beauty of building an email list, because it's an asset. So let's say if they shut social media down tomorrow, you pretty much lose all your subscribers, you pretty much lose all your followers. But if you build an email list, that's something that no one can take from you. That's an asset that you build. So come back over here to your funnel. You want to click on this link. Now what you can do with this link is you can actually create a link in bio website, and you can use beacons.ai. So with Beacons, it's pretty much a link in bio website that you can put on your social media accounts such as Instagram and TikTok. And what you can do, right, is pretty much set it up. You can add your social media accounts right here. So if I click on one of these, it's going to open up this section here where I can add in, an email, my YouTube, Pinterest, all that good stuff. And then the cool thing is you can add in different products, okay? So you can actually build your email list by, putting this link that we copied right here. Copy that, come back over here to Beacons, and what I can do is add new link. And I can just paste that in just like so. And then right here for title, erase that and put 7, whatever you're gonna give a value in exchange for an email, you can put that right there. And right here, you can click on that. You can click on replace. I'm gonna click on stock images. And I could put something like digital products. What I can do is just choose that laptop, click accept, and boom, it added in the image right there. So if you want to see this in action, all you pretty much have to do is just click right here on this. I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm going to paste that in, and boom, just like that. And this is the actual squeeze page that we created. So if I click on that, it's going to take me over to that squeeze page where they can see here, put their name and their email, where they can get access to the ebook. All right. And that is pretty much the name of the game. So I did want to share that with you. So go out there and start building your email list. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Now that pretty much wraps things up for this video. If you found value in this video, consider liking and subscribing and hitting that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. And somehow YouTube keeps telling your boy that you should watch this video here. So I'll see you in that video. Thank you for watching.